dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you can't use your microphone in your Instagram, so how you can fix it. So first thing for fixing it, just go to the settings, just open the settings. In the settings you need to find Instagram app, so just tap on it. After, just you will see microphone, so just check if you turn on here, if you enable microphone for Instagram. So this is the main thing. And if it doesn't help you, just go to the general, just scroll down, scroll up, and here you will see general. Just scroll down, and here you will see shutdown. Just tap on it and slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you, just try to install updates for your Instagram. Just go to App Store, just go to search tab, just write in search tab Instagram, and here you will see, if you see not open but update, just tap on update. It means that you have available updates for your Instagram app, and you just need to download and install them on your iPhone. So just tap on update, and it will automatically download and install the latest updates for your phone. And if it doesn't help you, just try to update your phone. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find general. In the general, just tap on software update and wait until it will check for updates. And if you have here available updates, just tap on install now, download and install, and it will successfully update your iOS. So this is the way how you can also try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.